Hello everybody, it's Mindy. Welcome to my channel if you are new here, or welcome back if you're returning. I am happy to have all of you here. I'm excited to show this to you today. So this is a company I have worked with in the past, but I haven't gotten anything from them in a while, and they just reached out to me again, and I was like, oh yeah, I'm excited to show this to you. I love this first item I'm going to show you. I love it, okay? It's Everydayecrafts. So thank you, Everydayecrafts, for reaching out to me again and letting me pick out a couple of things to show everybody. So let's get right into it because, like I said, I love this first item. And it's a unique item. You know how I am with unique items. I like to find all the new things that we can put drills on and make all pretty and fancy. And this one's very useful. And let's just get into it. All right, I'll stop blabbering. Here it is. First of all, don't you just love the picture? I mean, it is bright, it's vibrant, it's love, it's peace, it's flowers. It's like, how can you go wrong? Okay, how can you go wrong? All right, so let's get into it and I'll show you what it is. Okay, so here's our goodies inside. Look what we have. We have notebook paper, like a nice chunk of notebook paper. I'm not going to open this up, but you see all the holes in the side to put in these rings. This is an actual like spiral bound notebook. I am thrilled with this. Okay, so when you open this up, you will see inside there's rings. There's not rings for every single hole in the notebook paper, but there's rings to open up somehow. How does this open? Like this? Oh, there. Wow, I've never had a notebook open that way. Did you see how that happened? You pull this little tab out and it spreads apart like that. That is pretty interesting. And then you push this back in and your notebook is closed back up. Put your paper inside it. I love it. So the back of this is clear. Got a little bent there, but not a big deal. And then, of course, here is our picture that we diamond paint on the front. What do you think? And there was a couple different varieties with different pictures on them. I'll link this one below, of course, so you can go find it. But I love this. I love this idea. Of course, we get our standard toolkit that comes with all of our little paintings and goodies and whatnot. But I think it is so cute. I think it's adorable. I love this idea. I really do. I kind of went looking for like the notebooks that we're used to that are like that pleather cover, you know, the smaller notebooks. Most of them do not have lines. And I found this. And I was like, oh, looky what we have. I love it. I love it. All right. Get these drills open and I'll show you what goes on it. My guess is, you know, when people start seeing them and liking them and buying them, we'll start to get just a plethora of different designs, just like everything. All right. Here's our rhinestones. Red, green, yellow, pink, blue, and clear. Here's our special drills. Nice, large, pink faceted marquees and some little yellow golds. Love it. So the pinks are going to go here and here and here, and the yellows are going to be centers of those flowers. Beautiful. Beautiful. I like it. I like it. Okay. I have, you know, I just have this thing for finding unique items. I love to find the unique things. All right. Next, we have something in a box. You know how I am with things in boxes. So it's probably going to be a stand-up item. Here's our little piece of foam we now include in these. Thank you. Keeps things from breaking. And here's our drills. And there is the stand. This is all packaged in one baggie. Our toolkit, our little stand, and our drills all together in one little package. All right. Are you ready? Oh, good. This one's printed on the back as well. They're so pretty when they print the backs. Look at it. Isn't it gorgeous? Love the vibrant colors in that. Beautiful. Love it. Turn it over, and there is our dragonfly on his little lily pad. And we got the flowers. Love it. So pretty. It is now dragonfly time here. It takes dragonflies a while to come out, but July, pretty much July hits and we start to see the dragonflies. It's fun. We have red dragonflies, blue dragonflies, and then there's a different type of dragonfly that's black and white. Those are pretty cool. But you know, I love my dragonflies. I had to get this. Had to get it. It's just in time for July. Perfect timing. The real dragonflies outside appear, and a diamond painted dragonfly appears. All right, let's get out our drills. Oh, they're in another bag. Okay, bag and a bag. Remember to peel off your film, okay? I found a piece the other day at my craft show that still had film on the back. I'm like, oh, let's take that off. All right, here we go. Ready? Rhinestones. Clear. Look at that yellow. That is bright, bright, bright yellow. A peachy color, blue, a green, another green, a minty color, and a pink. Love it. Here's our special drills. These yellow, like snowflakes. Got a few rhinestones in there with them too. Iridescent faceted marquees. And some really pretty little pink clear ones. Love those. Love them, love them, love them. Where did the little pink ones go? Like right there. And right there. Is that the only place? 2 of them? We get 2? I think so. Anyhow, it's super pretty. Super, super pretty. It's going to turn out really, really nice. So once again, let me say thank you to Everydayecrafts for contacting me again and starting to work with them again. It has been quite a while. And letting me pick out these fabulous, fabulous, colorful, bright, and beautiful items. Look at there. I love them. All right, let me know what you think. And of course, they will be linked below so you can find them if you are interested in them. All right. So thanks so much for spending a couple minutes with me and checking out what I have to share with you. Check out Everydayecrafts. I'm sure they would appreciate it. And please do all those YouTube things, you know, like the video, comment on the video, share a video, check out memberships. I have memberships. I have Buy Me a Coffee. Helps me have money to invest in more things to show you, all that good stuff. Everything you do is greatly appreciated. All right. Until next time, have a great day. Enjoy summer while it's here, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.